Hey everyone, it's Amber from The Sensible Mama, and today I'm going to be doing a mini packing video where I'm showing you how I am using the LYMIA brand large trifecta piece in the color On Point as my purse slash mini diaper bag for quick trips out when I go out with my 4-year-old and 6-year-old. It feels kind of crazy saying diaper bag at this age because obviously I haven't had diapers in a really long time. But 4-year-olds and 6-year-olds still have a lot of things that they need, and I like using my LYMIA brand Trifecta for that. Now, if this is your first time seeing me or the LYMIA brand Trifecta, my name is Amber. I'm the owner of the business thesensiblemama.com. We're an online baby boutique where we sell all kinds of things for kids and for moms. And I also have my own brand of high-end diaper bags and accessories called LYMIA brand, which stands for Love Ya, Mean It Always. The Trifecta is one of my favorite things that we carry in the store. It is a 4-piece set, which you may be going, Trifecta sounds like 3. Yes, you get 3 pouches with this, plus a messenger strap, which makes it technically 4. You get the large piece that looks like this, and I'll go over all of the features as we unpack the bag. You also get 2 other pieces, and I'm pretty sure my daughter Abby ran off with the small and medium piece of my leather set, so I'm gonna show you the pieces from the nylon equivalent of the leather trifecta. So this is the medium piece. It's a window bag that comes with a D-ring on the side. This is for if you're wanting to take this to like a concert or a baseball game and you need a clear purse. You can use this for that and just attach any kind of strap that you may have. I like using the wristlet from the LYMIA brand Gabby wallet, and that way I can just put this over my wrist and carry it in with me like so. Now this does come in leather when you buy the leather trifecta, but as I said, I can't find my pieces today. So that's the medium piece, and then you also get a small piece that looks like this. This is a little bit larger than our coin purses, and it does have a wraparound zipper so that you can open this up nice and wide. One of my favorite things to use this for is for like either my kind of makeup stuff, or sometimes I use it for Band-Aids, ointment, and things like that. But all 3 of these pieces plus the strap come with the trifecta when you purchase it. We're currently now all of the nylon sets are actually out of stock. We just had a big sale that wiped us out of everything, but we have those on order with our factory, and we're going to have those back in stock probably mid-summer. But for now, we do have the trifecta in full leather available, ready to ship right now. So if you're looking for leather, we've got that here for you. So let's dive right into unpacking this bag and showing you all the goodies that I have inside of it. But first, a quick word from our sponsor, which is my business, thesensiblemama.com. The Sensible Mama is an online baby boutique for babies, toddlers, big kids, and moms. Our warehouse is located in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are mama-owned and mama-operated. Our website, thesensiblemama.com, is a place where you can find all of the best-known names in the industry researched by us. We are also the home of LYMIA brand, which is a high-end line of diaper bags, sunglasses, and accessories designed by me with busy moms on the go in mind. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our Sensible Reward program or apply for the affiliate program to start earning money either through cash back in the store or directly deposited to your bank account. Lastly, make sure you're following The Sensible Mama on Instagram to be ahead of the game for all store news and product launches. And with that said, let's get right back into today's content. All right, this is the LYMIA brand Trifecta large piece. This is my very first one that I got as the first sample from the factory. So she's been through a lot, but the reason why I'm showing you this one and not a brand new one is I want to show you just how much this bag will start to soften up over time. Especially the On Point leather is such a buttery, soft leather, and the more that you use it and it breaks in, it just gets really soft and supple. Of course, mine could use some leather cleaner to kind of tidy it up a little bit, but I just love how soft and squishy this gets as you use it a little bit more. The leather will appear a little bit more stiff when you first open it up out of the box, but over time, it just really, really softens up. So as you can see here, this does have a messenger strap attached so that you can wear this either over the shoulder or crossbody. I'm gonna take this off just because it's making a whole lot of noise. But as you can see, this is fully adjustable so that you can make it longer or shorter depending on how you wanna wear it. That strap is held on by 2 metal D-rings here on either side. On the front, we have just the leather LYMIA brand logo, and here on the back, we have the only external structure on the bag, which is this exterior zipper. This is where I like to keep my things. I just have a matte lip gloss and a lipstick. Plus I have my hand sanitizer from Touchland. We're still very into keeping ourselves all sanitized while we're out. And these are great because they spray a nice little mist that's not super overwhelming. My kids are able to press this down even at 4 and 6. It's not one of those that's so hard you can't use it. So we always like having that with us as well. Moving on to the inside of the bag. Here's what it looks like from the top down. Now the first thing that you can see here is my LYMIA brand Gabby wallet. Usually I carry this kind of horizontally inside of the trifecta, but today with the way that I had this packed up, it made more sense to leave it upright. And I wanted to show you that it does fit inside of the large trifecta piece. Guys, has anyone else's hands just aged 100 years during COVID? Every day of putting hand sanitizer on my hands while working in the warehouse for 3 years has just really done a number. If anybody has any suggestions of what to do, what I need to put on these hands to just make them not look like they're made of crepe paper, I'd appreciate it. So I did take the wristlet strap off of this wallet because that does make it fit a little better in there. So in here I've got my wallet with all my cash and cards inside. Next, I have got inside of these 2 mesh pockets. In the one pocket, I have a kitted kit. We sell lots of different kitted kits at the Sensible Mama, and we did just restock these. But this one is one of my favorites because it's something that my kids can do together. It's basically tic-tac-toe. You get 5 pieces for each player. And since they're magnetic, you can attach them to the tin lid over here. And then your kiddos can play tic-tac-toe. This is something that we love taking like into restaurants with us while we're out and about. I just forgot who went last. Is it this guy's turn? I think it is. Okay. So my kids can actually play this together. They are, no one's gonna win this one, are they? My kids are 4 and 6, so they don't really know a very good strategy here, and obviously neither do I. But it's a fun thing that they can play together, and even though they don't fully know the strategies, they just have fun getting to do something collaborative together. And since it's all magnetic, it's really hard to lose the pieces, which I think is great. Next, in the other mesh pocket, I've got some extra gum. Now in the main compartment, I have 2 Bumpkins snack bags. I love these for on the go because they're small, but you can still get a lot in there. We have a few different prints available at the Sensible Mama right now, and they come in this 2-pack. So in here, I have got goldfish. And in the other one, I've got cosmic brownies because those are my kids' favorite. If we're gonna be out for a long time, I'm gonna pack healthier snacks, but when we're out on these short trips and I just need something to make them happy so they'll cooperate while I don't know, get my oil changed or whatever I have going on, I like to bring those kinds of treats. Also in here, I have got a medical kit from DM Merchandising. This is where I keep all of my medicine. I snagged this from the warehouse because I want to move my stuff over into this to match my On Point trifecta. Right now, the one of these that I have is floral colored. So this doesn't have my medications in it, but let me show you what it looks like. You open it up like this, you're able to put whether it's vitamins, medicines, birth control, like whatever you need to put for your daily medicines, you can just put them right in there. For me, it is allergy medication for sure. And I love how the solid black just looks really nice with the On Point leather. Lastly in here, I have got this Placemat Kit from Zoli. I just love this little kit because it's so self-sustaining. You can keep using this bag over and over and just put everything back inside of it when the kids are done playing. In here, you get a placemat. This one is like an under the sea kind of motif. And then inside of it, you get a pack of 4 markers, which also come in their own little bag, which is great. I know my audience, we love pouches and pouches and pouches. And with these, you know, if my kids are out somewhere and they're just a little bit bored and they want something to do, I can pull out this little placemat and they're able to color on it with the markers. You can use any kind of markers. We have a whole bunch from Uli that I like to use. But as you can see, they can just draw all over the placemat. And when they're done, you just need a wet paper towel or a wipey, and it comes right off. Putting it back away is easy. Just tuck the placemat down in the bag. And your markers, I don't always put them back in the little bag they come in. And you are now ready to use these next time you're out. And lastly in here is this back zipper pocket. In here I have my LYMIA brand sunglasses in the color Twilight Fade. I don't recommend keeping these in here if you have the bag really overpacked or if you feel like you're going to be, you know, accidentally dropping other bags on top of it or whatever. But because I know that I'll be wearing this over the shoulder while I'm out, I don't mind tossing those in there for safekeeping, just so that they don't get lost or scratched. And then I just have my Bose headphones in there as well in case I need to take a call or anything of that nature. And that is everything that I had inside of the large trifecta piece. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and it gave you some ideas of how you might pack up the trifecta large piece as a purse for yourself, especially if you're going out for quick trips with your kids. I love using this as my purse just for me, but I know a lot of us have a hard time getting out of the house without the kiddos, and sometimes you just gotta bring those provisions along with you, and this is a great bag for that. If you wanna check it out, the link is down in the description box, so you can check all that out down there, plus links to everything that I showed you inside of the bag as well. Love ya, mean it always, mwah, and I'll see you in the next one.